Here I've got Qilive 5039D, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So we'll go with two methods. Let's start with the first one. Just open the phone dialer at first, go to keypad and enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here you can come along with serial number assigned to your device. Here it is. Click on OK to go back, and now we'll open IMEI numbers and serial number as well through the settings. So let's open the list of all applications, go to the settings then, and here click on System, go to About Phone, it's the very last tab, and here under Status you will notice IMEI number. Here you've got both of them, and then a bit lower you can find device serial number. So this is it, that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily check serial and IMEI number assigned to your device, to your Qilive 5039D. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.